Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Lincoln MKX Reserve. This one is black. Underneath there's a 2.7 EcoBoost V6 with 335 horsepower and 380 pounds of torque. This one has 21-inch wheels. Black leather interior with a light brown wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear heated seats. MKX 2.7 all-wheel drive EcoBoost badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, blind spot assist, memory seats, illuminated door sills, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, surround view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, cup holders. This MKX has 92,803 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lincoln, visit us at feldmanimports.com.